Hi everybody, today I'm doing a different kind of video. I was inspired by Melissa Maker over at Clean My Space. A few months ago she did a video with her cleaning her kitchen, and she does her 3-step wave system, and I decided I wanted to try it out in my kitchen. So the first thing she did was she showed us what we were going to need. I obviously didn't have everything, but I got some gloves, baking soda, microfiber cloths. I also made a DIY cleaner, a dish disposal cleaner, and obviously some dish soap and a sponge. And I'm going to show you guys how I made my own DIY soap. It's a little bit different than hers because she uses essential oils, and I didn't want to use that because it's toxic for cats, and I have 2 cats at my house. So I decided to just use some cast style soap and mix it with some water and made my own DIY cleaner. Now, starting with wave 1, what she says to do first is start with your dishes and unload your dishwasher, and then you go around your kitchen clockwise or counterclockwise, whichever way works for you, and you declutter. You don't really do any cleaning at first, you just declutter and put things away, put your dishes away. And as you guys can see, I didn't have any dishes in my dishwasher, so step 1 for me was a no-go. But I went around my kitchen and I decluttered everything. And then I pre-treated some of my dishes that I was going to put in the dishwasher. I loaded the dishwasher, and then I hand washed the dishes that needed to be hand washed, and then I dried and put away the dishes that I hand washed and got started on wave 2. I want to quickly introduce myself if you guys have never been to my channel before. My name is Alyssa and I am 22 years old. I live in this 2-bedroom apartment with my brother and our 2 cats. I make cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos here on my channel. This is my first time doing one of these videos, so if you guys like it, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely do more. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it, and also subscribe for more content related to this, as well as, like I said, organization and lifestyle videos. Now, getting started with wave number 2 is actually the cleaning part of it. So what you do first is you clean your sink, and not your actual sink, but your disposal, which was actually really nice, and I appreciated doing that because I wouldn't have even thought about doing that. And then you go around your kitchen again clockwise or counterclockwise, and you wipe everything down, which includes the countertops and the cabinets and the appliances. And then as you're doing that, you remove the items that you're cleaning. So like, let's say you have stuff on your countertops, you remove that while you're cleaning and then wipe it down before you put it back. And then that's going to be the conclusion of wave number 2. deep cleaning your microwave and appliances isn't required, but mine were really bad, well, at least my microwave, so I decided to just wipe it down on the inside and outside. And last but not least is wave number 3, and this is where you actually clean your sink. You clean your floors, you vacuum or sweep them, and you mop them, and you also take out your garbage. And I really appreciated doing the sink in wave number 3, which I never usually do, because as you guys saw in the video, I ended up having to go back and wash something from the microwave, and I would have been really upset if I had already cleaned my sink and then had to go back, wash something, and then clean it again. So I really do like that part. Vacuuming and mopping at the end, I always did anyway, obviously, because that's just all the gunk and stuff ends up on the floor, so you want to vacuum and mop. And I also want to thank Melissa for making such amazing content and inspiring me and thousands of other people to have an amazingly clean home. I'm going to be setting up for Easter and spring pretty soon, as you guys can see, so be on the lookout for that video. I really enjoy doing this 3-step wave system. My favorite thing, like I just said, was doing the sink at the end because it's just annoying if you have to go back and wash something. I want to keep trying to do these videos and trying out other systems she uses in different rooms. So if you guys are interested, please let me know which room you want me to do next. Check out my other cleaning videos as well as lifestyle videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.